I'm from originally South Korea. The very tiny Asian country have almost no natural resources. The country is small enough, we do not have enough space for food and other things. So we do some agricultural business, but we have to heavily rely on the source from the outside of the countries. So I came to the United States in 2008 and decided to study the biofuel. And I graduated from the Iowa State University with a Ph.D. One of the reasons I select Iowa State is because it's cornfield. Iowa is perfect place to see mass of the corn to make the biofuel. However, what I realized is current biofuel we are using is from the corn, but we eat corn, and the corn is the food resource for not only for the human being but also animals. My research during the PhD and then postdoc in Wisconsin Madison is about how to converting this non-eatable material to the fuels. Surprisingly, when I study more, I can see lots of literature about biomass utilization from ESF. I learned that ESF lots of famous faculties and scholars on the biomass utilization for paper making or cellulose-based materials, which I never heard before. And that's the reason why I applied this position, because this school is very well known in the area with bio-based products, because we have more than 100-year history about those things. I teach 3 courses at ESF, and the first class is Unit Operation Laboratory. So this is a lab class. So the course is about the units which we learned in the classroom. This course is specifically designed. So based on your theoretical learning, how can you operate the machine? For example, the pump. We know the pump is pumping the liquid from one area to another, but how it works. So this course is mainly focusing on how we operate those units and how we connect what we learn in the classrooms. Another course is Lignocellulosics Chemistry. ESF is well known in biomass utilization, wood chemistry, and so on. So I want to leverage this knowledge, and I want to utilize those knowledge for many other things. But to do that, you have to know the basic theory. So I teach about how the wood chemistry looks like, and then this understanding is very important to translate and then utilize and leverage those knowledge for biomass utilization. My third course is Introduction to Biorefinery. This is specifically for some graduate student or a senior level student who want to do the research or who want to know more about biomass utilization. So I want to connect my research to the education. Typically, without any research, it's so hard to understand what I'm doing or other faculty do. So I want to bring some example to the classroom, and then also sharing the career opportunity and research opportunities. What are the future direction we can do with this biomass? That is the content in the class. My research originally stems from the idea or the eager to replace the petroleum-based resources. They can release lots of carbon dioxide and the carbon emission, which is not good for the environment. So one of the missions in our college is make the earth more green, and we want to do the research different way. We need something alternate and replace those materials. So my research is we want to replace with the green method. Obviously, it's not as cheap as the petroleum, but I believe if we develop the technology and then if technology become mature, maybe we can reduce the price. Even though scientifically you can make it, if it is not economically viable, we cannot use it in our life. So I want to do more practical and economically feasible technology from the green resources. So that is the overall theme of my research. I have experienced so many different types of students from different background and different mission. I can say ESF students are unique because they already know what's the theme and what's the goal or the mission of the college. They know why ESF is unique, and then they want to have some study or career development under this mission. When I teach the students, sometimes if I introduce very fancy ideas, students ask me, so is that technology really green or not? So students often remind me, We are at ESF, and then ESF mission is make the earth green and then sustainable. I really have a hope this college have this kind of important mission forever, and then provide good training opportunity to the future student.